Hi, I am Dr. Payal Khandelwal. I am the director and the senior Ayurveda consultant in Ayurveda First, which is my own clinic situated in Whitefield, Siddhapura, Bangalore. So, Panchakarma is Ayurveda cleansing program. It is the most important Ayurvedic tools to actually restore the balance of the body. A lot of waste accumulates in our body through the environmental toxins, through the stress factors, through the food we eat, or through the various toxins in water and in air into which we are exposed. So Panchakarma actually helps in cleansing the body and removing the free radicals from the body which can cause diseases in the body and also create blockages in the intelligent flow of the systems in the body, especially the circulatory system, the nervous system and the digestive system. Once the Panchakarma or the cleansing procedure is done, then the body can go back to its normal and natural functioning with full vigor. And what are Panchakarma treatments? So there are 5 treatments which are, one is the medicated emesis, that is Vamana treatment. The next is medicated purgation, that is Virechana treatment. Third is Basti, that is enema treatments. Fourth is Nasya, that is installation of medicines in the nostrils. And fifth is Raktamokshan, that is bloodletting. So all these treatments are decided only after a complete assessment of the patient, Nadi Pariksha, Prakriti Pariksha, and depending upon this, whether it's a normal healthy individual or a diseased condition, a complete Panchakarma protocol is decided. There are certain contraindications to do Panchakarma, so every Panchakarma doesn't fit for every person. Depending upon the diseases, the Panchakarma are done or can be done repeatedly. In a normal healthy individual, if the person wants to stay healthy throughout the life, then Panchakarma is the best solution or the best gift that the person can give to himself and his or her family. Because it not only helps physical cleansing, but also has a greater impact on the mental health as well. Now, what are the treatment protocols we follow here at Ayurveda First? We have designed or split Panchakarma treatment as per the need, the age of the patient, the prakriti of the patient or the disease of the patient. In general, we have a Swastharaksha treatment protocol which is meant for every individual who wants to stay healthy and has a history of certain chronic diseases like heart diseases or thyroid disorders or cancer or infertility running in the family through generations. So to stay healthy and also to prevent diseases, Swastharaksha wellness protocol is extremely beneficial. We have something called as Netra Raksha protocol, which is actually in these COVID times very important for people who are working online most of the hours, for children as well. Then we have a women wellness protocol, which is divided into 3 categories. That is the menarche age, when the menses start, during the reproductive age group and during the menopausal age group. So all these 3 age groups are extremely important in a woman's life. And that's how Panchakarma treatments really help them to get into better shape. So some of the Panchakarma for women are Yoni Dhavan, Yoni Prakshalan and also enema treatments. For infertility, we again have 3 different treatment protocols like Bija Shuddhi treatment protocol, Garbhadharana treatment protocol and Supraja Nirmiti protocol. And various treatments are done as per the need. The next and important one is Insta pain management, which is very important in people who are suffering from joint disorders. So we have Viddhagni treatment, which is a very unique protocol at Ayurveda First for patients who goes through challenges like pain, stiffness, swelling of the joint disorders. Then we have certainly the stress treatment protocol for people who are going through mental health challenges, anxiety or insomnia. We have the Nadi Pariksha and the Prakriti consultation in details here so that a person who really wishes to stay healthy can just know his or her Prakriti and follow a diet regime, a seasonal cleansing regime to keep their body extremely healthy. And also, Swarna Prashan is given here at Ayurveda First every month on the day of Pushya Nakshatra for the well-being of children between the age group of 0 to 16 years. Apart from this, we also have certain different protocols like for skin and hair treatments where people who are suffering from chronic skin disorders and also from hair disorders can come and take a complete Panchakarma protocol including Raktamokshan or Nasya. So these are the various treatment protocols of Panchakarma which we follow at Ayurveda First.